These Gateron Quinns are tactile switches, like the baby kangaroos, but they do less. Now, the baby kangaroos are known for their crisp tactility and that resonant marbly sound profile. For anyone who's used Milktooth's try-home program, you know it's a popular choice. Indeed, they are our best-selling tactile switch of the year. But let's remember, switches aren't one-size-fits-all. Enter the new Gateron Quinns. They take the bold characteristics of the baby kangaroos and dial them down a notch, particularly when it comes to that resonant sound profile. To explain, we need to get a little technical. Picture it like this. If you smash two rocks together, it's loud. But two rubber ducks? Not so much. In plastics, polycarbonate is a harder plastic, whereas nylon is a softer one. So nylon naturally produces a more muted sound. Now, the baby kangaroos have a nylon bottom and a polycarbonate top, so they produce a louder sound upon release. But with the Quinns, they've got nylon all the way, top and bottom. The result is a rounder, more understated sound profile, especially on the top out. Let's hear the difference. So while the Quinns are deeper than the baby kangaroos, being long pole switches, they're not silent by any means. But the two switches' tactile feel are almost identical. If you're a fan of that crisp, tactile response but don't want to dive into hyper-tactile territory, these Quinns might be your match. They're bouncy, they're responsive, and this comes down to the gold-plated, double-stage screen, measuring 15.4 millimeters. In general, typing on these Quinns feels like they track your fingers really closely. They are super snappy and feel incredibly alive. That's the best way I can put it. The shorter 3.4mm travel distance, compared to the usual 4mm, might add to this active feel. These come in at $4.90 per 10 switches at Milktooth, and since we're the only switch-focused vendor, you're getting the best deal around. If you're on the fence about whether you'll prefer these switches, take advantage of Milktooth's try-home program. I'll drop a link down below. We're now on Threads too, where we'll share thoughts that won't be long enough to make into videos. Give us a follow there, we're going to do a giveaway there soon. But if you're interested in learning more about our favorite tactile switches, hit this link right here. For now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.